Hey, what's going on, people? Barefox here and welcome back to another video. This video is going to be very special because we have got hands on Windows 11, baby. And today I'll be just showing you guys how to download and install Windows 11 on your PC right now. I am covering both official and leaked Windows in this video, so stick around till the end. Also, I'm going to be making a video on features in the future, so if you guys want that video, comment down below about Windows 11 features right now. I hope you all guys enjoy it, and if you do, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more awesome content like this. Also join my Discord server from the link in the description below, and with that said, let's get started. Alright, so first off, I'm going to be starting with the official version of Windows 11, that is from the official Microsoft website. Here you'll find all the links of the websites and the applications I'm going to be using right in the description below, so make sure you guys go check the description box out. Now once you come to this website, you'll see Windows 11 and it's the official Microsoft website. As you guys can see, scroll all the way down there, you can see the features of Microsoft and Windows 11, and if you scroll all the way down, you'll see something called Get Ready. It also says that Windows 11 isn't here yet, but it'll be coming later this year. If you are excited, blah blah blah, there are some things, and if you guys can see, there is a check for compatibility. Before going to that, here are some minimum system requirements that your PC must have. First is the processor, which have at least 1 GHz and 2 or more cores on the processor, as well as 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB or larger storage device. Obviously the Windows is a bit heavy. The graphics card will be DX12 compatible, and a display of 9 inches or more. So I guess that's all the minimum system requirements are. Going ahead to the check for compatibility, you have to download the small 13.7 MB app. As you guys can see, just download and install it right away, and it won't take a lot of time. Just hit finish and you guys can see the app up and running. So as you guys can see, hit check now. This PC can't run Windows 11 just because I'm not using the official version of Windows 10 right now. You have to have a genuine system of Windows 10. But if you guys can see over here, I've got 16 GB of RAM, 408 GB of SSD, and yeah, that's a lot. That's more than enough for running Windows 11 on my PC, so I really don't care. I'll get it anyway. Okay, moving ahead to the leaked version of Windows 11. I know you guys are really excited for us, so leave a like because this video took a lot of efforts to do it. So first things first, you have to go to this website, that is VirtualBox. You'll find a link to this website again in the description below. All you have to do is go and hit Windows host and you'll download VirtualBox. So once you have downloaded the application, you'll see something like this. First things first, you have to hit new and then you have to name it. So I'm going to be naming it Barefox Windows 11. I'm going to be saving it. You don't have to choose anything else. Hit next. Now this is where you select the RAM of your PC. I've got 16,000 MB of RAM, so I'm going to be giving like 6 GBs or something to my newly built PC. Hit next. Also, you have to add a virtual hard disk now, so you have to create that. Just select the first option, hit next. The dynamic size allocated. Now here is the parts. I'm going to be giving it 32 GB of inbuilt memory. Hit create, and there you are on your Windows 11. We have to choose a lot more things, so you have to go to the settings button over here and then go to this advanced and then go to bidirectional for both of these things. Hit OK, and then go to system and then go to processor. Now over here you have to give at least I'm giving it 4 of my cores of the CPU, so I'm just going to be hitting OK with that. Now again, go to settings and this time go to display. Now here is the video memory. You can give it like whatever you want. I'm going to be giving it like 75 MB of display memory, and I guess yeah, that's a lot for it. Hit OK. Again, go to settings and then go to storage, and over there you guys can see we have this thing, and again there is something called empty. You have to click on this thing and choose a disk file. Now I'm gonna be leaving a link to the download of Windows 11 ISO. I don't think that it will work for you guys because Microsoft removes it as soon as we upload it. So just check it if it works for you, or let me know in the comment section, or join my Discord and tell me if it doesn't work. I'll give you a link over there. You have to select that and hit OK. Now if you guys can see, you have selected the optical drive, that is the Windows 11 release, and I hope this thing works out. So we have set up everything we need to do. Alright, once you're done with that, hit start and your PC will boot up. So again, it asks for the starts of disk, so choose the one you have selected and hit start. So as it starts, you'll see this. So here comes the installation. Okay, so once you are here, you'll see a lot of Windows 11 systems. As you guys can see, I've got Windows 11 Home. I'm just going to be installing Windows 11 Pro, and I accept the licenses, hit next. And now again, if you are on VirtualBox, this upgrade won't work, so go with custom. And over here, the 32 GB, select it and hit next. Now give a little bit of time to your PC as it downloads Windows. Guys, have a look. It looks like a PowerPoint presentation. The right country or region. Okay, for me it's India. So I'm just going to be scrolling up to India. Okay, here we go. We have India. We hit yes. Okay, keyboard method US, right. Skip. So here's some basic setup you have to do for Windows 11. Just take and accept all their terms and conditions, and okay, so here comes the parts. We have the gaming, we have the creativity, we've got the family, we've got the schoolwork, and we've got entertainment, and we don't need business, so hit accept. Alright, so as you guys can see, we are now at the home screen of our Windows 11 right here. And as you guys can see, we have got like pinned, just as the trailer has showed up, here is the Windows button and it shows things like this. We've got the search bar over here, we've got the switch desktop. We can personalize our desktop, so that's great. We've also got this news feed as they promised. Gosh, this is really great. I mean, just come to look at it. It has got all information that you need. Alright, so we've got a lot of things in the Microsoft Store as well. Well, that's great. I mean, Windows 11 looks ultimately awesome. And if you guys want Windows 11 on your PC, make sure to hit the subscribe button right now and turn on the post notification bell. So guys, that was all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. I have left all the links I've used in the description below, so make sure you guys go check that out. If the Windows 11 doesn't work for you guys, join my Discord. I'm gonna be giving you all links. Also, comment down below if you guys enjoyed this video. See you all in the next one. Until then, stay tuned, keep watching Barefox, and peace out.